How to do bicycle crunches. Expert of training, are you ready to take your workout to the next level? Bicycle crunches are a powerful exercise that targets your core, obliques, and lower abs. Mastering this move can help you build a stronger, more defined midsection. Let's dive into the steps to perform bicycle crunches correctly and maximize your results. Step-by-step guide to bicycle crunches. Starting position. Lie flat on your back on a mat with your lower back pressed to the ground. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your legs off the floor and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles to stabilize your spine. This will help protect your lower back and enhance the effectiveness of the exercise. Begin the movement. Straighten your right leg out while bringing your left knee towards your chest. At the same time, rotate your upper body to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Make sure to twist your torso, not just your neck. Alternate sides. Switch sides by straightening your left leg and bringing your right knee towards your chest, while rotating your upper body to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. This completes 1 repetition. Maintain control. Continue alternating sides in a smooth, controlled motion. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions per side, focusing on form rather than speed. Tips for perfecting your bicycle crunches. Keep your movement controlled. Avoid rushing through the exercise. Slow and controlled movements engage your muscles more effectively. Focus on your breathing. Exhale as you twist and inhale as you return to the starting position. Proper breathing enhances your performance and endurance. Avoid straining your neck. Keep your head and neck relaxed throughout the exercise. Your elbows should stay wide to prevent pulling on your neck. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.